Today, I'll show you how to properly use a manual breast pump for expressing milk. This simple, convenient tool is a great help for breastfeeding moms, especially when you need to express milk quickly and comfortably. Let's get started. Here's the breast pump. As you can see, it has an easy grip handle for gentle pumping, and a soft white flange that fits snugly against the breast. The milk container is detachable, which makes cleaning and storage super easy. It's made of safe, BPA-free plastic and can be sterilized after each use. Now, let's see how to use it. First, place the flange over your breast, making sure it completely covers your nipple to create a good seal. Next, gently squeeze the handle in a slow, steady rhythm to start expressing milk. You'll soon see milk flowing into the container. Take your time, the key is to stay relaxed and let the milk flow naturally. Pumping should feel comfortable and never painful. As you can hear, the pump works quietly and efficiently, allowing you to collect just the right amount of milk in a short time. And here's the result, the container is now filled with fresh milk, ready for your baby. You can either feed your baby right away or store the milk in a sterile container for later use. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps make your pumping experience smoother and more comfortable. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.